Can Lido, liquid staking platform, accidentally take over the Ethereum network? We're pretty close to that happening. And what does that actually look like? And are they doing this maliciously? That's what we're going to talk about in today's video. If you guys enjoy these updates and you're feeling up to date, you know everything that's happening in crypto, thanks to us, we appreciate it if you hit the like button. Let us know in the comments what kind of content you enjoy watching, and hit subscribe if you haven't done so, because we put out videos every single day. So right now, currently, Lido has 29% of the staking power basically over the Ethereum network. Ethereum recently moved from proof of work to proof of stake. And that means that the stakers that have the majority of the supply over Ethereum have potentially majority authority over how the network runs. Now, that's not exactly how Ethereum works. They actually do a lot of off-chain governance, but in terms of neutrality and having immutable blockchain, this is a concern, because for Ethereum at least, 33% is the new equivalent to 51% for any proof of work blockchain, like let's say Bitcoin. So on Ethereum, if there's any node that has 33% staking power or majority, basically the whole network is resting on their shoulders. Let me just say, I don't think Lido is doing this maliciously. I think this is a direct result of them being first on the market for offering liquid staking, getting a huge amount of market share right off the bat. They're offering 10% commission, which is the lowest commission rate compared to other options like Rocket Pool. I think they do about 15%, and Coinbase, if you're staking on Coinbase, they take 25% commission. So in addition to that, Lido makes it really easy to stake your Ethereum. You just need a MetaMask wallet or a Rabi wallet, or you can stake it directly from your hardware wallet like Trezor, for example. I used to think, I was definitely guilty of thinking that centralized exchanges would be the biggest risk for centralized control over Ethereum, because, you know, centralized exchanges are like the largest holder of Bitcoin, for example, and Ethereum as well. But Lido actually has it. So what does this mean? So even though Lido isn't doing this maliciously, obviously they're a very public company. If they're trying to take over Ethereum, they probably wouldn't be so public about it. But so if Lido has an issue, let's say a bug, then that means the health of the overall Ethereum network is at stake, at risk. Think all the decentralized exchanges we use, all of the DeFi platforms we use, all your NFTs, all of the tokens that are on Ethereum, all the layer 2s on Ethereum. That's a heavy pivot point for Lido to have. But what Lido does have is an interest in becoming more decentralized. And it's also worth it to note that Lido itself isn't like one central staking operator. What they do is, if you use Lido staking, you're depositing into their smart contract, and they disperse your stake across other staking operators. Yes, a lot of them are connected to Lido, but not all of them, and that's where they can definitely become more decentralized. So it's a little bit of there is a bottleneck, let's be sure. It's a Lido smart contract. But what Lido does have is a really good bug bounty program that will pay up to $2 million for anyone who finds a bug or an issue with their code. So that's a huge incentive for anyone to find the code, to find the bug, number one, and also to responsibly disclose it so they can rightfully gain $2 million. If you've been watching this channel for over a year, then you already know that Toby and I have been staking our Ethereum on Lido. So in a way, we've been contributing to this problem. But now I'm going to be looking into other options out there, but we're going to be balancing off, again, the commissions that that the platform is earning and the ease of use. And if Lido continues to win out in that regard, then we're going to keep using Lido just like a lot of other people. So we'll be really interested to see because there's a lot of attention on Lido now, and how are they going to take active steps to become more decentralized? Of course, you can always vote with your feet and vote with your money like crypto is best for, and that is withdrawing your coins off of Lido. And if it really becomes an issue, of course, Toby and I will do that, and our CT Club members will be the first to know when we do that. If you want to know other staking options out there, that's what I will be covering in a very near future video. So if you haven't done so yet, please hit subscribe so you can get notified when that video comes out. And if you want to join the CT Club, as always, it is provided in every single video description down below this video in the video description. Check out a link to the CT Club. Okay, I'll see you tomorrow. Bye, guys.